Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than our good old friend Pepe. Looking at the overall market, after seeing a little bit of a retracement, exactly so far what we've been projecting on this channel has been really coming to life. It's just been spot on as of now. We saw that $64,000 retest, and after that extensive support retested, we are seeing Bitcoin bouncing back above $67,000, which is of course really nice to see, and it's taking the entire market up with it. So we'll definitely take that. If you're looking at Pepe, it's up 1% right now over the past 24 hours, with the price currently sitting at 11.93, still about 4 zeros in front of the price. As far as BTC and Ethereum comparative goes, you're seeing a little bit of a lag of about 3.2% in their respective comparatives. But if you're now focusing on the market valuation, $5.02 billion, so you're seeing the market valuation back above that $5 billion mark, and the 24-hour trading volume is continuing to remain above $1 billion, to be exact, almost at 1.4 billion. It speaks for itself right now, but let's take it a step further to see what is happening. But before I get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. Holder count, just going to briefly take a look at that. Obviously this is increasing at this point, pretty much day by day, new holders coming on board to Pepe. So that is obviously a really big plus point to obviously note. But taking a look at the overall meme coin market right now, $53.7 billion. It's only up 1.3%. Some coins definitely feeling the love right now. Shiba Inu actually feeling the love right now, about 3.2%. But what's very, very important to note right now is that pretty much in the top 10 meme coins in terms of market valuation, it's the only coin that is not up in the last 7 days. Let that sink in. And obviously 3.2% move, sure, we'll take it, but it's below $10 billion market valuation, which again is a very psychological market valuation for Shiba Inu. So far, if you're looking at Pepe, it's up. We'll definitely take that. But let's take a closer look and see what we're looking at in terms of the price and what are some next targets that we could be aiming for. So if you're looking at the BTC dominance, look at the spike, guys. A massive spike in BTC dominance index. And again, this is a huge catalyst as to why a lot of coins right now, believe it or not, are actually kind of lagging behind BTC. As far as BTC is concerned, guys, that's a beautiful thing. You can see this for yourself. Bitcoin retested that $63,500 support line, and boom, we push back above, and now again you're finding the price of Bitcoin facing the exact same key resistance, which we've been having a little bit of a hard time breaking out of in the past as well. So a very, very important key resistance, of course, because if we're able to break out of this key resistance, I do believe $70,000 Bitcoin could be the next target. So we'll take a close look at Bitcoin on a day-to-day basis, but as of now, we'll definitely take this move. Let's see how Bitcoin reacts going into Friday morning, and how it closes the weekly candle. That would be very, very important to see that. But let's shift our focus towards the price of Pepe, see what we're looking at. So right now, what you're noticing with Pepe is obviously it is breaking towards the upside, and again, this right here is just the daily time frame. If you want to put this into perspective, you are up about 10% on Pepe if you just picked it up on July 25th, and that was just a few hours ago. You had an opportunity to pick up a Pepe around the 1090 zone, and this is a certain target that I spoke to you guys about. If you do watch the day-to-day analysis, this is one of the price targets that I was aiming for Pepe, in case Bitcoin were to retest $64,000, and that exactly got retested. And if you picked it up around here, you're instantly up 10%. But as the price of Pepe is trying to break towards the upside, again, you're facing some key resistance, key hurdles that are coming in its way. Easiest way to take a look at it is just take a look at it right now. That's where the price is finding a little bit of a hard time breaking out of that extensive amount of resistance for our good old friend Pepe. But now, hear me out. If this exact same resistance that I'm talking about does, break out towards the upside, and if we're actually able to break out of here, because with this trading volume that we're seeing right now, I don't see why Pepe would not be able to break out of here. But once you break out of this key resistance, I'm very, very optimistic that we do see Pepe reclaiming above the 1311 zone quite fast. And again, if you want to put that into perspective right now, that is an additional move move of about 10%, and I can actually see that happening very quickly for Pepe. Again, one thing you want to note right now is that Bitcoin dominance is still quite high, and a lot of people probably are going to come out and say, "Oh, crypto ZX, dominance is quite high. This is crazy." I don't think that's going to happen. But before you start having those thoughts, I want you guys to realize one thing. It's not the first time we've seen dominance spike up this much. Look at it on April 13th as well. You saw that spike up. It went all the way down to 53.9%, spiked up again on 16th. Once again went down to 53.6%. So I am expecting that we will see dominance falling. If Bitcoin pushes up to that $70,000, I do believe that will be something that will happen. But let's take it one step at a time. That is the beauty of doing day-to-day analysis. But I would not be surprised, to see Pepe reclaiming back that spot and then making its way up to this key resistance, which of course is the main resistance that should be on your radar. But that is it for today's update. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.